Okay, I thought I would give you a little tour of the new workshop slash radio place slash man cave. It's located quite close to this tower, so plans are to maybe put 6 meters and 2 meters in this one instead to minimize coax loss. And there are two doors. One is 3.3 meters and one is 2.5 times 3 meters. It's located quite close to the one of the 60-meter towers, and close to the old barn. So and the workshop area is about 125 or so square meters. And over here you have amplifier closets. One will be for the ACOM's SJ2W and those smaller amplifiers. And the bigger one will be for the QBL if I ever finish it. And also I have some rack mounted 6-meter amplifier and some other stuff that's bigger in size. And here is cable inlets, 6 tubes that goes to the barn. One goes to the smaller tower that I plan to use for VHF. And there also will be a heat pump in here for the radiant floor heating, and a compressor plus all the driver electronics for antenna switching. And if we go into the radio part of the building, you have first to the left is where all the computers and various electronics cables will live. So we don't have that huge mess in the Radio Shack. And here you have tubes going to the amplifier rooms, so all cables will be routed just by that room or through it. I try to have just one path, have the cables just running with one path to avoid any unnecessary earth loops and stuff like that. And here's the kitchen. There will be a door straight ahead for a future wood deck. And there is a small kitchen. We'll put a stove and a fridge. And also there's the staircase for upstairs. Upstairs we'll have a little kind of a cozy area and a toilet. And also a little bit, maybe some beds. And in here is the Radio Shack. So I will build a custom oak desk And when that desk has been built, I will drill a few holes through the walls for putting cables through. And there will be 4 operating positions, 1 single op 2 radio position, 1 in-band position and 2 mult positions. And also it will be possible to, if we ever find a lot of operators to do multi-multi or multi-2 or something, we can use, there will be a desk on the other side as well for like electronics work area, and one could use that too. It will be prepared for that. So I think this is gonna turn out pretty nice. And here are some tubes going upstairs for poop and heating and water and other things. And also here, in here it will be a patch panel for network, and we will put cable trays in here too, plus probably some more outlets.